issues I see. One thing is alignment. With the bottom toad, it's really difficult for driver to align that top toad and put it on the top. It is very slow. So alignment and the speed. If you are stacking
Right
it
now, we're just trying to get all of our ideas onto CAD and get everything designed. And as you can see right now, we've already started doing prototypes and getting things ready. Hopefully, by the end of the next week or so, we can have a clear idea of what we're doing for the robot this year and have a few prototypes, have an idea so that way we can start building. I know by next week we need to have the frame ready to give to other teams so they can start, getting ready to, I know like the programming team is going to start programming it for the Mecanum wheels, which we're putting on it, which are different than the wheels we did last year, and I know electronics is going to start doing stuff with the electrical board with Noah and some other stuff. So essentially, right now, we're just getting designs ready and making prototypes.
Alright, so recently we've been trying to get used to the new, since now we've switched to Java instead of LabVIEW, we used last year, we've been trying to get used to the new interface. And in addition, more specifically, we've been trying to get the drive code to work, since the drive team wants to practice Mecanum, which is the new drivetrain that we were trying to use for this year. And so recently we've been trying to get Mecanum code to work so that we can actually start getting on the practice robot and start driving. And then after that, once we start getting the framework for design, we can finally start putting more framework into the code and get it working.
Okay, so right now what we're doing is we're building a sample pneumatics board so the programming can test on it, and also so we can hook up Mr. E's crazy 5-way solenoid thing that he's been talking about. So that's what we're doing right now. And for the season, we're basically just waiting around until Mechanical tells us what motors and actuators and various things they need, and then we're going to take whatever board they give us and put a bunch of electronics on it and wire it up so it'll work.